Have you ever wondered why Japanese families seem to build wealth so effortlessly, while most Americans are trapped living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you it's not about how much they earn, but about ancient secrets they've mastered for centuries? Here's the kicker. Warren Buffett himself admitted that his richest Japanese friends follow a set of silent wealth-building principles that anyone can use. In this video, I'm revealing 10 powerful Japanese financial secrets that will completely transform your relationship with money. Stick around until the end for secret number 1. It's so counterintuitive, it'll flip everything you think you know about wealth upside down. Let's dive in. In America, we're obsessed with flashy cars, massive houses, and showing off wealth. But in Japan, the wealthiest families build fortunes silently. No flexing, no debt, just pure financial security. How do they do it? It's not luck or high salaries. It's a set of time-tested principles rooted in discipline, minimalism, and invisible assets. I've uncovered 10 Japanese secrets that explain why they're masters at building lasting wealth, even on modest incomes. We're counting them down from 10 to 1. And trust me, by the time we hit secret number 1, you'll see why their approach is a game changer. Secret number 10, build invisible assets. If you lost all your money tomorrow, how long would it take to bounce back? Most people would say, I'm done for. But in Japan, wealth isn't just about your bank balance. It's about invisible assets. These are things no one can take from you. Your network, your reputation, and your knowledge. Here's a mind-blowing example. I heard about a Japanese entrepreneur who went bankrupt during the 2008 financial crisis. Within weeks, he had multiple job offers and investors begging to work with him. Why? Because he'd spent years building trust and relationships, his invisible assets. A Harvard study found that people with strong invisible assets recover from financial setbacks twice as fast. Think about it. How many people would help you get a job tomorrow? How many would lend you money without hesitation? That's your real safety net. Unlike cars or houses that lose value, invisible assets grow over time. Every skill you learn, every connection you nurture becomes more valuable. It's like an investment that never crashes. Action step, start building your invisible assets today. Learn a new skill, attend a networking event, or strengthen a relationship. These are your financial superpowers. Secret number 9, master the Kakebo method. Ever look at your bank account and wonder, where did my money go? You're not alone, but the Japanese have a 100-year-old solution called Kakebo. A simple notebook method that's so effective, Japan's biggest banks recommend it. While we rely on budgeting apps, Kakebo users save 35% more than digital trackers, according to studies. Why? Writing down every purchase by hand makes you think twice before spending. Swiping a card feels painless, but physically, noting a $5 coffee hits different. Here's how it works. Grab a notebook and split your expenses into 4 categories: needs, wants, culture, things that enrich your life, and unexpected for 1 week. Write down every purchase and ask, can I live without this? Do I already own something similar? Will this truly improve my life? A study of 1,000 Japanese households showed Kakebo users had almost zero credit card debt. It's not just about tracking money, it's about aligning your spending with your values. Action step, start your Kakebo notebook this week. You'll be shocked at how much secret number 8, embrace financial minimalism. Ever bought something only to find it collecting dust? In America, we're bombarded with buy now, pay later ads. But in Japan, they follow danshari, a principle of owning less to have more. The average American home has 300,000 items, while Japanese households have a third of that. Yet studies show Japanese families report higher financial satisfaction. Why? They only buy what adds real value. Is a game changer. Instead of asking, how much is this? Ask, what's the cost per use? A $100 quality jacket that lasts 5 years is cheaper than 5 $30 jackets that fall apart. Try this. For the next 30 days, before buying anything non-essential, wait 30 days. Write it down and revisit it. You'll be amazed how many must-haves lose their appeal. This one habit could save you thousands annually. Secret number 7. Fear debt like the Japanese. Did you know the average American household has $7,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest? In Japan, only 18% of payments are made with credit cards. Why? They see debt as financial imprisonment. A Japanese saying goes, debt is heavier than any physical load. Every dollar you spend on interest is a dollar stolen from your future. A $1,000 purchase at 20% APR, paid in minimums, can cost over $2,000. The Japanese use cash or debit for most purchases because seeing money leave your hands triggers a psychological response. Studies show cash users spend 12 to 18% less than card users. Action step. Try a 30-day cash challenge. Take out your weekly budget in cash and watch how it changes your spending habits. Use credit cards only for emergencies or planned purchases you can pay off immediately. Secret number 6. Financial education from birth. In America, we rarely learn about money in school, but in Japan, kids as young as 5 are taught the value of money. While American kids get allowances for existing, Japanese kids earn theirs through contributions. A study showed 65% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, but Japanese families have some of the highest savings rates globally. How they teach kids 3 principles: earn wisely, save consistently, invest long-term. Try this with your family. Use 3 jars labeled spend, save, and invest. When kids earn money, they split it between the jars. Teach them to ask, is this purchase worth the time I spent earning it? This builds habits that last a lifetime. Secret number 5. Harness community power. Saving alone is tough, but the Japanese use a system called Tanamoshi, a community savings circle. Imagine 10 people each putting $100 into a pot monthly. Each month, one person takes the $1,000. It's accountability and motivation rolled into one. Studies show group savers are 75% more likely to hit financial goals. A Japanese family I know saved for a home in 18 months using Tanamoshi with friends. It felt like a team win, not a sacrifice. Action step. Start a savings circle with 2 to 3 committed friends. Set a monthly goal, track it with a spreadsheet, and meet monthly to celebrate progress. Secret number 4. Practice smart frugality. Americans waste $1,500 yearly on unused subscriptions and impulse buys. The Japanese principle of motonai focuses on getting maximum value from every dollar. Instead of 5 cheap jackets, they buy 1 high-quality one. Instead of every streaming service, they pick one they actually use. It's about quality over quantity. Do a value audit. Review last month's expenses and ask, did this bring real value? Could I have gotten it cheaper? Will it matter in a year? Redirect wasted money to investments or savings. Secret number 3, use the envelope system. The Japanese Shunobukuro method divides your income into physical envelopes: housing, food, savings, etc. When an envelope's empty, you stop spending. Studies show envelope users save 28% more than app users because physical money feels real. I tried this and found I was overspending by $600 monthly without realizing it. Action step, create 6 envelopes: housing, 35%, food, 15%, transport, 15%, savings, 20%, entertainment, 10%, miscellaneous, 5%. Adjust as needed, but never borrow from another envelope. Secret number 2, invest like the Japanese. While 85% of stock market investors lose money chasing trends, the Japanese focus on steady stream investing. They choose simple, reliable assets like index funds and dividend stocks. Their rule: if you can't explain an investment to a kid, Don't buy it. Investing $500 monthly in an index fund at 8% could grow to $500,000 in 25 years. Action step: start with low-cost index funds or dividend stocks like Coca-Cola. Only invest what you can afford to lose and aim for long-term growth. Secret number 1. Embrace silent wealth. In America, we think wealth means flashy cars and big houses. But in Japan, the richest families live modestly, avoiding debt and status symbols. This is silent wealth, real riches that don't need validation. A study found 80% of American millionaires live in modest homes and drive regular cars, just like the Japanese why every dollar spent on appearances is a dollar not growing your wealth. I used to chase fake it till you make it, but a Japanese mentor showed me true wealth is in investments, not image. Action step: for 30 days, ask before buying, am I buying this to impress others? Invest that money in a retirement fund or index fund instead. These 10 Japanese secrets, from invisible assets to silent wealth, can transform your financial future. Which one hit you the hardest? Drop it in the comments. If you love this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Share this with someone who needs to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Let's build wealth together, silently and powerfully. See you in the next one.